In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change deal probability in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you want your forecast to be more accurate and your pipeline to reflect reality, setting deal probabilities by stage is one of the quickest wins in Pipedrive. Deal probability is simply the chance that a deal in a given stage will close. When these percentages are set well, your reports and weighted pipeline values become far more reliable, which helps you plan targets and prioritize work. Start on your Pipedrive dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Deals. This takes you to your pipeline view, where you can see your stages laid out from left to right. Make sure you're looking at the pipeline you want to update. If you use multiple pipelines, select the correct one from the pipeline drop-down at the top. Next, go to the top right of the Deals view and click the pen icon to edit the current pipeline. This opens the pipeline editor. Here, you'll see each stage listed with editable fields. This is where you can change the deal probabilities of each stage. Think of it as telling Pipedrive, deals that reach this stage succeed about this often. Adjust the percentage for each stage to match your team's real-world experience. Early stages might have lower probabilities because many deals will drop out early, while late stages typically deserve higher probabilities as they're closer to the finish line. If you're unsure where to start, you can use rough benchmarks and then refine them later using your win-loss data. The key is consistency. Update all stages so the progression makes sense, increasing gradually from left to right. As you make changes, remember these settings usually apply to every deal that enters that stage in this pipeline. They influence weighted values in your pipeline and many of your reports, so even small tweaks can shift your forecasts. If the pen icon isn't visible, try expanding your browser window or check that you have permission to edit pipelines. Once you're happy with the percentages, simply exit the editor. Your pipeline now reflects the new probabilities, and your forecasts will use these updated weights instantly. It's a small change that pays off fast, especially for teams that rely on accurate revenue projections and prioritization. And that's all. You clicked Deals on the left bar, click the pen icon at the top right to edit your current pipeline, and change the deal probabilities for each stage. With that, your Pipedrive is smarter and your planning is clearer.